In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click on Screen Refresh Rate. And finally, apply the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with Standard. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!